Here's another example of a student's supervised agriculture experience. So anytime you want to go back to the home page, you can click on AET.com or this AET emblem. Over here, here's your experience manager. When you click on that, you want to make sure that your SAE is in the green. You can see here it has a green check because he's completed his plan, his time investment, his financial investment, and then what are his learning objectives. If you are selling animals or selling plants or working, you're going to be putting your finances in here. So if you make money, that's cash income. If you spend money, that's cash expense. For your final in this class, and to look at your reports, you can go to Reports, Single Experience Report, and then Complete Report HTML. You want to make sure you select the correct experience because you can see this student has a agri-science project as well. You're going to click Complete Report HTML. So you can see here this student has a couple photos. He needs maybe a couple more, although it's got a great smile there. Here's his plan, his income, and he has 4 journal entries totaling a certain number of 10 or more hours.